Principles. We will implement and maintain appropriate operational controls to ensure that potential EHS risks associated with our operations, processes, and activities are fully addressed. We will implement procedures, standards, programs, and objectives that enhance EHS performance and that fulfill our vision of being an environmentally responsible corporate citizen and our vision for protecting our employees and the communities where we operate. Comprehensive training is crucial to the success of our company. We will ensure that personnel are fully trained to carry out the EHS responsibilities associated with their positions and provide refresher training on a periodic basis. We will communicate our EHS commitments, responsibilities, performance, and achievements to employees and other key stakeholders as appropriate. We will encourage open, two-way communication with both internal and, where appropriate, external stakeholders to move people from awareness and understanding of EHS management to commitment and action. Summary of requirements. All equipment, existing and new, must be fully risk assessed and suitable risk control measures implemented. Systems, processes, and capability must be in place to ensure this risk assessment need is met. All equipment must be technically reviewed to ensure adequacy against the following: guarding, control systems, interlocking, emergency stopping, pneumatics and hydraulics, energy isolation, labeling, noise, and ergonomics. PepsiCo requirements. Every employee and contractor is afforded a safe workplace. Therefore, all equipment will be safe. PepsiCo will comply with all local legislation. PepsiCo will set a global minimum standard for all equipment regardless of location. One design to meet all standards. One global machine concept. Scope and application. This standard will apply to all fixed and portable machinery used on PepsiCo sites by PepsiCo personnel and that are used by personnel other than PepsiCo, owned or hired by PepsiCo and operated within its sites. This standard is intended to cover all new machinery, significantly rebuilt or manufactured machinery, transferred machinery, and existing machinery. Hazard and risk assessment. Requirement. A risk assessment on all operations that involve plant, machinery, or equipment hazards must be conducted. Competent person or persons with suitable knowledge in operations, maintenance, health and safety, and machine safety technical principles shall perform the risk assessments. Methodology, guidance, currently 5x5 approach or HRN machine RA methodology. Risk assessment. Competent person with suitable knowledge in operations, maintenance, health and safety, and machine safety technical principles shall perform the risk assessments. New machinery. Contractor or original equipment manufacturer shall provide evidence that an appropriate and thorough risk assessment has been completed on the machine. This risk assessment should be reviewed and approved by a qualified PepsiCo contact. Existing machinery. All existing machinery shall be risk assessed and suitable risk reduction measures implemented. Modification and transfer of machinery. When a machine is modified or transferred, regardless of the extent of the modification. Risk assessment. Competent person with suitable knowledge in operations, maintenance, health and safety, and machine safety technical principles shall perform the risk assessments. New Hierarchy of control. In selecting the most appropriate risk reduction measures, then the hierarchy of controls must be applied. Most effective, number 1, eliminate by design. Number 2, guards and safeguarding devices. Number 3, awareness devices. Number 4, procedures and training. And the least effective, number 5, personal protective equipment. No access machine guarding requirements. No person should be able to come in contact with a machine hazard during normal or abnormal operations of equipment. Guards should be designed, constructed, and positioned to prevent body parts from reaching machine danger zones. Mechanical and structural guarding design requirements. Guarding shall be securely anchored to the machine. If the guards are fixed, they shall be affixed such that tools are required for removal. This would likely exclude the use of slotted screws, wing nuts, quick release fasteners, and other finger tightened devices. Guards shall only be removed by trained and competent personnel. Guarding shall be constructed and installed so it does not present a hazard in itself. Machine guards shall be installed, inspected, maintained, and operated to protect against unauthorized adjustment or circumvention by the operator or others. The guarding structure shall be designed so the operator or mechanic can easily clean it. Movable guards, safety interlocking, and control system design requirements, machinery. Guard doors shall not be used to initiate a stop or restart of the machine. A sufficient number of operator start-stop buttons shall be provided at typical operator stations to prevent this from happening. Note, the design and installation of all safeguarding and safety-related control systems shall be reviewed by the project engineer and the HSE manager to verify appropriate application of these controls. Energy isolation. Equipment shall be designed with local, readily accessible, lockable energy disconnect devices having the capability of de-energizing every hazardous energy source on the equipment. When more than one energy source can cause equipment to operate unintentionally, multiple local energy disconnects must be installed. To the maximum extent possible, local energy disconnect services shall be designed and installed outside of the machine guarding. Where it is necessary to suspend safeguarding, a mode selection device or means capable of being secured in the desired mode shall be provided to prevent automatic operation. In addition, one or more of the following means shall be provided. 2 hand controls, only if operated concurrently by one person. Initiation of motion by a hold to run device. A portable control station with an emergency stop device and, where appropriate, an enabling device. Where a portable station is in use, motion may be initiated only from that station. Limitation of the speed or the power of motion. Limiting of the range of motion. Emergency stops. All emergency stop controls shall be positioned such that an employee cannot inadvertently actuate the control. Access to initiate the emergency stop shall not be impeded by guards, shrouds, or by recessing the button. Emergency stop buttons must be read with maintained contact and a mushroom head operator. Emergency stop devices must be clearly identifiable and accessible. The background immediately around the push button shall be colored yellow. Maintenance and inspection. Maintenance. All machine guards, machine covers, interlocks, safeties, emergency stops, or other safety devices supplied by the OEM must be properly maintained at all times the machinery is in operation in accordance with the performance level required. Inspection. All guards and safety devices shall be registered and inspected routinely. Robust PM system.